we start a foundation row. Make a slip knot. Crochet a chain to your desired length. Measure the chain along the body of your teapot. Leave about 1 inch length gap, as it will get longer after you put in the double crochet stitches. Also, this pattern itself is very stretchy. Now we are starting row 1. Hold the last chain. Chain 3. This chain 3 is counted as 1 double crochet. Yarn over, go into the last chain that you hold it. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Then double crochet into every stitch. Row 2, chain 1, turn over, go from the back of the stitch, go out to the next stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Go in from the back of the stitch, go out to the next stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Go in from the back of the stitch, go out to the second stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Go in from the back of the stitch, go out to the following stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Go in from the back of the stitch, go out to the second stitch, the next stitch, pull, yarn over, pull through 2. Go in from the back of the stitch, go out to the following stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Continue this pattern. I will meet you at the end of row 2. We are at the end of row 2. Go into the stitch, go out to the following stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Go into the first stitch, go out to the third chain of the last chain 3. Again, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Row 3, chain 3. This is counted as 1 double crochet. Turn over. Now we can see we have 2 V-shaped chain. one at the front, one at the back. We are going to work on the back one. Yarn over, go into the first V shape, go underneath, pull through, just double crochet, yarn over, go into the next V shape, go underneath the V. Double crochet into the next stitch. Double crochet into the next stitch. Double crochet just through all the stitch. So we always work at the back chain. Continue this. I will meet you at the end of row 3. We are at the end of row 3. Yarn over, go into the last V shape. It is hard to spot. Double crochet, row 4, chain 1, turn over. We are just repeating row 2. So go from the back, go through first stitch, go out to the second stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Go in from the back of the stitch, go out to the following stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Go in from the back of the stitch, go out to the following stitch, yarn over, pull through 2. Repeat. Go from the back of the stitch, go out to the following stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Repeat this. I will meet you at the end of row 4. We are at the end of row 4. Go from the back of the stitch, go to the following stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Go into the back of the stitch, go out to the third chain of the last chain 3, pull over, yarn over, pull through 2. Round 5, chain 3. This chain 3 is counted as 1 double crochet. Turn over. We have 2 of the V-shaped chain. We work from the back one. Yarn over, double crochet, pull hook, go through the V shape, go underneath the shape, double crochet, yarn over, go underneath the V shape, double crochet, yarn over, go underneath the shape, the V shape, yarn over, pull through 2, double crochet, double crochet into every stitch. I will meet you at the end of row 5. We are at the end of row 5. Double crochet stitch, go underneath the V shape. Double crochet stitch, go underneath the last V shape. We have finished row 5. Repeat these 2 rows pattern. I will meet you at the end of row 9. So you're going to make row 6, 7, 8, 9. I will meet you at the end of row 9. We are at the end of row 9. Double crochet into the last stitch. Turn 1 for more skill. We need to weave in the ends. Choose 2 big buttons. Tie in the second double crochet stitch. Tie 2 knots. We do the same as the other. Put into the second double crochet. Then we tie knot. Don't forget to weave in the ends. So we can do like this.